गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल सॉफ्टलाइन इंस्टीट्यूट। माय नेम इज करीना और आज की इस क्लास में हम बात करने वाले हैं कस्टम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स की। तो अ कस्टम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज अ टेलर्ड सॉफ्टवेयर प्लेटफॉर्म डिजाइन्ड टू मीट स्पेसिफिक यूजर्स नीड्स वेदर फॉर पर्सनल यूज, बिजनेस और स्पेशलाइज्ड डिवाइसेस. Creating a custom OS can involve remixing existing distribution like Linux or building one from scratch. This empowers users to control performance, security and branding elements precisely. Whether for embedded devices or unique workflows, custom OS provide unparalleled flexibility and user experience enhancement tailored to unique requirements. This presentation explores the pathways to build or remix an OS, detailing tools, workflows, benefits, and real-world applications to inspire your tailored computing journey. Remixing, leveraging, ये क्या होता है? Remixing का मतलब क्या होता है? Leveraging existing foundations. What is remixing? Modifying a pre-existing OS distribution like Ubuntu or Debian to suit specific preferences or purpose using established cleaning basis is called remixing. इसका बेनिफिट क्या होता है? फास्टर डेवलपमेंट टाइम, robust ecosystem and extensive community resources accelerate project progress. Tools and audience. Popular tools include Cubic and Remasterize, ideal for users with Linux experience and some coding knowledge. Building from scratch, the ground up approach. Definition. Create an OS kernel and user land from base components starting entirely fresh without pre-built code bases. Advantages: complete control allows for deep optimization and customization ideal for specific architectures or specialized hardware. Challenges and audience: this approach entails complexity, longer development time and requires experienced developers or embedded engineers. Remixing workflow example with Ubuntu. Select base distribution. Choose Ubuntu, Debian or Fedora as the foundational OS for remixing. Setup environment. Install Cubic to create a customized ISO and configure a root for modifying system files. Software management. Add or remove packages using app get or dpkg to tailor software presence. Customization and build design desktop themes, icons and default apps before building a bootable ISO image for distribution. ये remixing workflow के examples हो गए. Remixing from scratch example with Linux. अब हम Linux kernel के साथ examples देखेंगे. Obtain kernel source. Download the Linux kernel source to start configure low level system components. Configure and build. Customize kernel features and drivers. Compile tool chains for target architectures like ARM or x86. Create file system and bootloader. Set up minimal root file system and configure bootloaders such as grub and lilo. Testing and debugging. Test the custom OS in virtual environments like QEMU to ensure stability before deployment. Customization, themes, branding and applications. Desktop environment. Themes, icons, fonts and cursor define the visual style. Popular theme framework GTK, KDE, Plasma or XFCE. Branding techniques. Custom splash screens and boot logos using Plymouth and System Boot. System information tailored for your brand identity. Custom applications. Pre-install proprietary software and develop specialized apps. Automate configuration with bash scripts and Ansible playbooks. Optimizing performance and security. Kernel optimization. Minimize memory usage by disabling unnecessary features and drivers to boost efficiency. File system selection. Choose file system like ext4 for stability or F2FS for flash storage optimization. Security hardening. Disable unused services. Implement firewall rules via IP tables और firewall and regularly update the system. ये आपका वर्क रहेगा. रियल वर्ल्ड एप्लीकेशंस एग्जांपल देखते हैं. IoT डिवाइस, इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स जैसे कि स्मार्टफोन, स्मार्ट होम हब्स, इंडस्ट्रियल सेंसर्स नीड लाइटवेट एफिशिएंट OS टेलर्ड फॉर लो पावर एनवायरनमेंट्स. ऑटोमोटिव सिस्टम, इन व्हीकल इंफोटेनमेंट systems utilize custom OSs for performance and safety compliance. Medical devices, patient monitoring and diagnostic require secure, reliable operating system customized for healthcare. For example, Yocto project, Buildroot or OpenWRT. Real world application, security and privacy focused OS. Tails OS, a live system prioritizing anonymity using Tor network for all traffic. Cubes OS, isolate virtual machines to enhance security and prevent breaches. Customization feature, removal of proprietary, non-free software, pre-configured VPN and cryptographic tools. Use cases used by privacy advocates, security researchers and journalists to protect sensitive data. The conclusion is the power of a tailored OS, unmatched flexibility. Custom OS development unlocks unparalleled control over performance, look and functionality. Remix an existing OS for speed and community or build from scratch for ultimate customization. And future of computing, personalized and purpose-built operating systems will lead to enhanced productivity, security and specialized applications. सो आज की इस क्लास में हमने देखा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को कैसे कस्टमाइज़ करना है, रिमिक्सिंग क्या होती है. सो आई होप आपको समझ में आया होगा. आज की क्लास में इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में जल्द ही. थैंक यू सो मच.